After a car crash, Chance was hospitalised while his dog Izzy ran away in fear. The accident almost separated them forever, but they overcame everything to reunite. Shauna and her lifelong horse friend Honey were separated due to financial reasons. Fortunately, thanks to people's support, Shauna could bring Honey back home.
All these people have chipped in and then some and have been praying for you, and everyone bought Honey back for you.
Hi, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh.
No one could tell how long this kangaroo had waited for this hug with its human friend.
Want a hug? Huh? Good girl.
Elephant never forgot their rescuer, the one that gave them another chance in life.
You're fine and beautiful, my friend. I think you. Let's leave my peace. The which I am thankful. I live.
Here he comes. He can come in and see you.
Little Monkey must be feeling like the happiest boy on earth when Uncle came to see him after so long. Tracy saved Irby in Iraq. Irby returned to Tampa, the soldiers' homeland, while Tracy continued her mission. It's been 7 months since they've been together.
That's it? He's running.
Hi, fella. Oh, look at you. Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, look at you.
Donkey kept silence the whole time, as if it's good boys trying to enjoy the human's presence as much as possible.
There he is. Oh, he's a happy fella now. Oh, look at him, huh? Oh, it's been a...
Ellie.
Highland Cow's legs run to Mum instantly when he hears her calling, even before its brain could react.
Oh, he's my best friend.
Turns out kangaroos could give such sweet and warm hugs.
Hold on. Walk slower.
We don't have to understand Monkey's language to know that he's overjoyed in Grandma's arms.
Oh no, he's so good. Oh, she's dead.
We were wondering if she recognized her.
After months of separation, Cat has got chubbier, as it weighs in proportion to how much it missed Mum. Having an animal friend means no matter how far or how long you travel, there's always one missing you.
He was the him and Tom. So they're not eating that.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Bugs likes honeydew melon.
So the big guy's Jaden.
Well, what was it the one day? Were we eating watermelon?
Yeah.
Come here, baby.
Still the usual grass, but it tastes better when the horse is fed by his loving mum again after so long.
Wanna get him?
Cow can hardly keep calm when its best human friend is finally here.
Hi! Hello.
We matched each other. We fell in love with each other.
These elephants used to work for a circus. Now, after years of retirement, they still remember and love their old caregivers.
Was today a special day for you guys?
It was very...
3 years of not seeing each other, and the horses still hold them dearly in their hearts.
Would like to see your son.
The chickens are willing to delay laying eggs just to spend more time with their favorite human.
Hello? Hello? Hi? Penny? Hello, girls.
What are you doing? Get over here, boo. Oh. She's hunting down.
Cats are often considered aloof, but they'll shower you with love when you're home after a long absence. And dogs are known for their affection, but still we're so surprised to always receive such warm welcomes. No more days of looking at the door with sadness. Humans are finally here with Doberman. Thanks to the microchip, King and his mum could be reunited. Such a little thing has saved so many families from separation. A hug is part of their love language when they meet again after a long day.
Bells. Come here.
Horse's eyes didn't recognize Mum yet, but his heart did immediately, so it moved his legs.
Like, you didn't know it was me, did you?
Cats are fueled by Mum's love. Without it, Kitty can't move. They must have been the best mates in the previous lives. Girl can't be prouder and happier when her soldier dad is home.
So hang on, they're getting a tomato at the moment.
She has become the mum of all chickens here.
Yeah. Come here, love. What you doing? Yeah.
Oh, there she's giving Tammy a hug. It was very short.
The feeling of seeing 3 gorgeous horses running towards you must be ethereal. You can always rest on me, my best human buddy. Happiness is going home with your pet. Do you agree? Thank you for watching.